Hello everyone. Today I would like to share information about why Python programming becomes so popular or why it is one of the most used programming languages in the world. Without further ado, I will begin. The very basic reason of why Python is so popular is its simple syntax. When you write a program or when you are coding, you have to tell your computer that this is the program, this is one statement, this is one line of code. To do so, you have to use curly braces, brackets, commas, semicolons, $sign. But in Python, the syntax is very clean that you don't have to use much commas, semicolons like JavaScript or C++. So Python is easy to read and easy to understand. That's why it is also called super beginner friendly. If you are new to programming language, I would like to encourage you to start with Python. The second reason is because Python programming language is so powerful. You will get surprised if you find out how many big companies right now is using Python programming language in the world. To name a couple, they are Google, Instagram, Netflix, Facebook, Reddit, Spotify, NASA, IBM, and so on. All of these big companies are using Python programming right now. Did I even mention that one of the Star Wars series uses Python programming language to create their special effects? From one internet source, it says that the Google founder decided to use Python programming language whenever they can and use C++ only whenever they must. From those evidences, you can conclude how much powerful Python programming language is. Another reason is because of its versatility. Python is very versatile. Once you have learned Python programming language for one purpose, and after that your purpose changes or your career changes, and you want to become from like web developer to data scientist, or you want to change to data science field, you can still use Python programming. In fact, from the statistics, from 2019, Python programming language is de facto language for data science applications because of its support of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science libraries such as SciPy, NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and Matplotlib, and so on. Another important reason is because of its community. The community comes in very handy when you are a programmer, no matter what size of program you are writing, it is big or small. We all experience at least one time that we encounter a problem or an error and we cannot solve it. We stuck at that point. In this situation, the community steps in and helps you. You can ask the developer community to give advice about the problem, or you can show your source code to the community and ask them to find the error that you couldn't spot. Or you can even search for the solutions for that problem. There may be someone who encounters the problem same as yours and have solved that problem, and they may publish their solution online. Since Python is so popular, the community is growing and becomes bigger and bigger. For this reason, if you are a beginner, I would like you to know that you're not alone. You have very active community at your background who would like to support you. The last but not least, because of the world's largest companies are using Python language and because of active community, there are a lot of open source you can find on the internet. So even if you are a beginner, you can implement very cool applications referring to those open source codes. That's all about today's video. From this video, I hope you will get the idea about why Python programming language skill is very important to your IT-related career, and why it is necessary for you to have at least the competency of Python programming language if you want to get a high-paid job. If you want to start Python programming now and you don't know where to start, I'm here to help. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.